Hi, hi. Pareho pud ba ka sa ako, are we the same na sayo makapanghinuktok na lang to. Like we are pursuing our own dreams. Like maka-question ta sa tong kaugalingon ba nga, "La Lord, gabi man akong effort. I'm doing this, that, these things." Pero still wala man gyapon, dili man gyapon ako makuha ang akong gusto in life. Do you know why? Ako lang nahinukdugan ba while watching a like wali sa YouTube. We are pursuing our own plan, our own dreams. Like, there's nothing wrong or dili man mali ang kanang mag-pursue or mag-dreams na no. Ang mali lang dira, while we are pursuing our dreams, nakalimtan na nato si Lord. Remember, we need to pursue God so that blessings and mercy shall follow us. No efforts needed. Ito lang, very simple na phrase and statement, pero big impact sa ato ang kinabuhi. Ay, buntag!